In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can have a transparent note in Excel, like we see in this example right here, with a note asking you to triple check a number. So first we're going to insert a note into a cell, like this cell right here, by going to the cell, going to Review tab, clicking on Notes, and then clicking on New Note right here. Now, the note option will pop up. We can say example, note, note. And by clicking out of the note, as we can see with this icon right here, there is a note on the cell. Now we want to be able to edit this note by clicking to the note, going to Review tab, going to Notes, and then clicking on Edit Note. Or we can use the keyboard shortcut Shift F2 to get to the same box. Now through an option to edit the note, we can make this transparent by first hovering over a corner until you see the icon with a line and an arrow on each end. Now right clicking on that, and then from here click on Format Comment. And then from here you're going to want to go to the Colors and Lines tab, where you can adjust the transparency of the color of your note from 0 to 100%. Sorry, not type 100, but I go to 100 or I side this line right here. Now, if we do this, the background of the note will become transparent, but we also want to remove the border of the note to make it fully transparent by changing the line color to no line. Then click OK. And as you can see, the line on the note was removed and the fill is also transparent. And we can then move the note by clicking on it and dragging it over. And as we can see, the example note is now transparent, which is super helpful because if I go to this, for example, I go to hide note. If I go to notes, show all notes, we can see the note with a line without that kind of ugly box that you see once you click into the note. That's it. I hope you found this super helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.